So, having a look at what just arrived in at Metro Hobbies. It's Max from Metro Hobbies. Let's have a look at what just arrived in from ICM. Okay, so we've had a bit of stuff in from ICM, as you can see. It's been quite a while since we've had a good size shipment come in. We've had a lot in. Unfortunately, we have sold out of the CH54s, mostly because there wasn't enough to go around and we only got probably about half of what we ordered. But we've got more on order. Hopefully they'll be here in the next month or so. But there's been some other really nice stuff come in. You've got things like, this is the Ghost of Kiev. Now this one's an interesting one. This is the MiG-15 with the Ghost of Kiev and everything else, but it includes the paint set for it that ICM's created. So that's the whole package. So that's quite a nice little setup. 70-second scale, as you can see, but nice little setup. I don't know how often this is going to happen, but obviously somebody's decided to put the paint sets with it. This is the next version of the Gotha Glider, just basically a variant on the original one. New Beaufort, or not a new Beaufort, but a continuation of the Beaufort family. This is the tropical one with the tropical filters and the desert color scheme. So that's that one. More Broncos, more sets on there. Another MiG. This is the MiG-25 in 48 scale, MiG-25 PD. This is a really nice kit. The various people I've spoken to have built it, said goes together quite nicely, quite enjoyed the kit, all that sort of stuff. So lots in it, 48 scale, so that's pretty cool. Something else that came in, if you want to do an airfield diorama, Vietnam era, Vietnam USAF, you get the Bronco, you get the O2, and you get the figures. So that's all included in the one box. So that's quite a nice way to pick up a couple of kits. What else have we had? This is World War One. American forces in expeditionary forces in Europe, 1918. So you get the vehicles, all three vehicles, plus all the figures. So that's pretty cool. This is part of the continuation of the war series. This is the crew for a Straga P anti-tank complex. As you can see, Brave Ukraine. So there's something else for that figure set. More vehicles of the Leyland series. There's all come in figures. If you're looking to do another Yak 9. This is there's two of these. One is done for this pilot, and there's another one done for another pilot. If you're looking for particular markings for a particular kit, that's pretty cool. This is a Kriegsfish cutter in 1/144th. So this is really nice. It's a nice little kit, nicely detailed. But the interesting thing is they've also released it in 350th scale. So if you're a 350th scale modeler, you can do it. Or if you just want to put a 1/144 scale, that's quite good. Now, the other one that people have been waiting for, this is the Sally's. This is the 72nd scale one. This is the A model, this is the B model. It's to do with turrets and things like that. The reviews I've seen so far have been very good for these. It's the first time really the Sally's have been done properly. Again, done in Ukraine, all from ICM, all the rest of it. Just really nice. The 48 scale one is due out very soon. So we should see that maybe September, October. So as I said, there's been a lot coming from them. There's been actually a bit more. We just haven't been able to fit it all up here. There's some new figures, some other bits and pieces like that. So if you're having a wander around or want to come into the shops, either shops, Box Hill, Dandenong, us, or online, have a stroll through there. But other than that, I will see you later on. Have a great day.